Hello, it's Owen from the Jestic culinary team, and today we're going to be making a light passion fruit panna cotta with a raspberry coulis, all done through our Vitamix Aerating Container. We're going to start in a heavy bottom saucepan and heat up our heavy cream, sugar, bring that up to the boil, whisking occasionally. This is going to make about 6 panna cottas. We've used 500ml of heavy cream, 75 grams of sugar. Using our aerated container is going to make sure our panna cotta has a nice light and creamy texture. Add in our gelatin, whisk all of that in, and then we're just going to leave that to one side to cool for a minute. We'll slice our passion fruit, and then we're going to scoop out all of the inside straight into our container. Pour our cream into our container with our passion fruit. Pop our container onto our blender. Start it on the lowest speed, which is 1, and then power on. And then we're going to slowly increase the speed up into the highest for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then once we're happy that it's whipped up enough and we've got a lot of air in there, and portion it up into our ramekins. Pop these into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until they're set. We're going to make a nice simple raspberry coulis to go with our panna cotta, so we're going to go with 50ml of lemon juice, 50ml of a 1-to-1 simple syrup that we made earlier, 100ml of water, and 200 grams of raspberries. We're then just going to blend on a medium speed. We're using our Vita-Prep 3 with the normal container so that we can blend all of those bits from the raspberry in and make sure we're using the whole fruit. And there we have a nice smooth coulis to accompany our panna cotta. So here we have our finished panna cotta all set out of the ramekin. See those lovely passion fruit seeds in there? And we're just going to top it with that coulis. Really nice, light summer dessert, perfect texture from that aerating container. Got all that air whipped into it, so it's a nice, light and creamy consistency, which is exactly what you want from this classic Italian dessert. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, just email info@jestic.co.uk, or feel free to come to one of our test kitchens in Manchester or Paddock Wood and have a go with the blenders for yourself.